it's Kerry. Today I'm going back to the farm and I've got new animals. There's lots of different animals in this box. You can see donkeys, a sheep, lambs, and a goat, and a baby goat, a kid, and of course the farmer and some other accessories. Let's get this fence up so the animals can't escape. It fits together really easily using these little green pieces. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. Starting to look good. Can you tell me how many sheep and lambs on today's farm? You can bend it into any shape that you want. A donkey. I really like this model because the head moves up and down. Donkeys have been used by shepherds as a pack animal and to move flocks of sheep between their summer pastures on the high Alps to the lower winter grounds. Males are called jacks and females are called jennies. Donkeys make a loud braying hee-haw noise that goes on for several seconds. And here's a donkey on the beach. And here it is again. And here's a goat. They have very sharp teeth and can demolish vegetation very quickly, especially your favourite plants. Their favourite food is grass. Many domestic goats will also eat anything else they find. They have beards or tassels under the chin. They live in herds and every herd has a pack leader. This one's very hungry. Goats are smelly due to a musk gland on the back of their head. They are strong-bodied mammals with horns and cloven hoofs, which means a hoof divided into two. A baby goat is called a kid. Female goats give birth to 1 or 2 offspring in the spring. Within minutes of being born, the kids are up and walking around. At 3 to 4 months, the kids are weaned. And you can see a goat in the background there. And here's a donkey foal. It can stand and nurse from its mother just 30 minutes after birth. Females tend to give birth to a new foal each year. Donkeys are related to horses, ponies and zebras, but have much larger ears. I'll just make a bit more room now. And here we have a sheep. Sheep are bred sometimes for their meat or sometimes for their wool. Wool is a natural fibre and clothes made from wool are fire resistant. Woolen clothes stay cool in summer and warm in winter. And here we have some sheep grazing. These sheep are bred for their wool. You can see that they have wool from the tip of their nose to the tip of their toes. The fleece is dense and elastic to the touch and very good quality. They help keep the grass short, making herbicides unnecessary. Their droppings turn out to be good manure for little saplings. A male is called a ram and a female a ewe. An interesting thing about a flock of sheep is sheep are mammals. They are herbivores, meaning a plant eater. They mostly graze on grass. There are over 1 billion sheep in the world. Sheep live in most nations around the world. There are hundreds of different species of sheep. They look quite contented, don't they? Sometimes sheep milk is used for making cheese. The lamb. Lambs are born in the spring. The ewes mostly produce single or twin lambs. After the birth, the mother licks its newborn lamb clean. Most lambs will begin standing within an hour of birth. And here's the other one. They are able to stand and nurse from their mother as well. And here's some fairly new little lambs here. China has the largest number of sheep in the world. A group of sheep is sometimes called a herd, a flock, or mob. Sheep can see behind themselves without having to turn their head. They have a field of vision of around 300 degrees. And here's some grass and a fork. Notice how that fits in the holes. I can feed the animals now. The set also comes with a bucket. And here's some more feed for the animals. And some green hay. This is the farm worker. She can actually hold that hay in her hand. Watch how this works. Easy done. She's off now to feed the animals. I like the way they can wear hats, turn their head, move their arms and legs, and even ride a horse. And here's some more dried hay. You just pop the pieces together. I know the goats want this. This is a really nice playset. You can see my tractor there in the background and the farmhouse and lots more other animals. You can change the fences to whatever shape you want and move the animals around. It's a great playset and gives lots of hours of fun. Speaking of fun, we have a fun ending coming up. The donkey and one of the cows have decided to have a race, and I love their jockeys and equipment. Now that looks tricky, a backwards race. Just enjoy these farmyard scenes. These are cows. Very old at all. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. Please subscribe and share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. Thanks once again. Love the chooks and of course the rooster. Some white geese. And this is just so cute, a little piglet.